Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to work with Mozilla, we can say Firefox browser, and how we can control the Firefox browser using Selenium. So I will comment this portion, so using from here to here. It's very simple like Chrome, and I will create here some space. So in the same way, I will use try block, and inside try block, let's say if I will use here MJ for Mozilla or Firefox, and driver equals webdriver dot Firefox. So using webdriver, you will access the browser here, and after that I will load some URL. So MJ, this is object of Firefox class. So MJ underscore driver dot get, you have to use small one, and here I will pass http://www.facebook.com. you can open any URL here. If is there any problem with loading the Firefox or giving any URL, so then we are catching this exception. So except exception as ex, and here I will print, let's say error, and I will add using str because it's object. So for concatenating purpose I'm using str, and here else if everything goes fine in try block, then just wait for some time dot sleep, and let's say 5 seconds, and then I will print the title. So let's say title is plus str, you can use mj underscore driver dot title. So we will get the title of Facebook, and here we will use finally, and we will close it. So mj underscore driver dot quit. Before quit we will use some time dot sleep, or let's say 10 seconds. So if I will run this program, so this is professional way how you can write the code using exception handling. So if I will run this program, just see the output. So here it got loaded, sending the URL. So here you can see we are able to load Facebook using WebDriver, and we'll wait for some time, and it will get the title of this page. So this is the title, and we are going to print this title. So okay, we are getting some problem. So can't encode character in position of ordinal not in range. Okay, so this title is written in ASCII value, so which is like Unicode. So I will not concatenate with this string, so just directly I will use title here, and I will run it again. So because in HTML we are using internationalization language, so there are different languages they are using, like some science and some special characters. So now it's got loaded again, and let's see. So Facebook got loaded. It will wait for some time because I have supplied wait. After some time it will close automatically. Yes, so you can see here, so the title is Facebook login or sign up. So this is the title of the Facebook URL. So in this way you can work with Firefox, and in next video we will work with Internet Explorer. Thanks for watching.